is the 03, 04 Cobra hood a good functioning hood? I'm gonna say yes and no. I mean, it's got those little depressions that go down and a little hole. Quite frankly, the hole is not big enough. What you really need to do if you've got one of those cars is expand the hole a little bit, and then on the very front, where the hood comes back, the very front, go to like Lowe's or Menards or Home Depot, and you can buy this thin angle iron, aluminum angle iron. Measure how thick it is right there, and then get one that sticks up, maybe 3/8 taller, and you just either pop rivet it or pop rivet it in there, so you've got like a gurney, and that little gurney lip will help create negative pressure and help draw the air out. So yes, yes, they're okay, but they're not big enough to really get the air out. We did on George's car. He had it was an 01, but he had that type of hood with impressions. And what I did is I got some carbon louvers from Genesis, and we basically cut that out, and we put these louvers in, and it works great. I probably should put a picture up, but it worked pretty darn good.